All right, if we're calculating commissions, we see that the commission is a percentage of total sales. So what we do to find the commission, we just take the commission rate, which would be the percentage as a decimal, times the total sales. So if we're looking at this first problem, a sales representative for an office product copier sold $47,632 worth of company equipment and supplies last month. So this is going to be the total sales. And it says, what is his commission? So I'm looking for the commission for the month if he is paid a commission of 6.6%. So the 6.6%, the commission rate then would be 0.066. So to find the commission, that's just equal to the commission's rate, which is 0.066, and then multiply that times the total sales, which is 47,632. And if you do this on your calculator, you get 3143.712. So again, we want to round to the nearest cent. So therefore the commission would be $3,143.71. So for the second question, you notice they're giving us the actual commission. So a salesperson earns $645. So this is the actual commission. And then the total sales was 43,000. So when I want to find the commission rate, so again, we just plug these numbers into our formula. So the commission, which is $645, is equal to, and I'll just use the commission rate, I'll just call that R, times the total sales, which is 4,300. So to find R, we just divide both sides by 4,300. So we have 645 divided by 4,300, and that's going to equal R. And if we plug this in our calculator, we get 0.15. So this is the actual commission rate, and the percentage would just be 15%.